Jan Pieter Breughel or Jan Pieter Breughel. The 29th of August 1628. Baptised. 1664. Was a Flemish Baroque painter specialised in flower, still lifes. Biography. Breughel was born in Antwerp. He was the son of Jan Brueghel the Younger and Anna Maria Janssens. He joined the Antwerp Guild of St. Luke in 1645 as Weinmeister. He died in Italy after 1664, and is known for flower still lifes. He created many garland paintings on which he collaborated with other painters such as Erasmus Quilinus II, who painted the cartouches while Breughel painted the flower garlands. Notes. Bibliography. Jan Pieter Breughel on ArtNet. Media related to Jan Pieter Breughel at Wikimedia Commons.